So now I will be removing Tigger. He is an orange tabby, a male neutered cat from his cage. So let's check. We have Tigger, orange tabby. There he is. Good boy, Tigger. Now let's take him back to his cage.